In the land where sunrise first touches the eastern coast, where the Godavari carves its way through green valleys, where the roar of the Bay of Bengal blends with the rhythm of the hardworking cities, and where ancient temple stands beside modern industries. Andhra Pradesh emerges as a state where progress and nature have always walked hand in hand. From the buzzing industrial belts of Vishakhapatnam and Vijayawada to the serene fields stretching across east and west Godavari, this land is known not only for growth but also for its deep respect towards the environment that sustains it. Every factory chimney that rises, every machine that powers a new idea, and every industry that dreams bigger becomes a part of a shared responsibility to ensure Andhra Pradesh continues to thrive without disturbing the delicate balance that makes it extraordinary. Protecting this balance is the Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board, a vigilant guardian standing at the intersection of development and environmental care. And as we explore the world of the APPCB NOC, we uncover the permit that determines whether an industry is prepared to operate, not just with ambition but with accountability, responsibility, and harmony with the land it stands upon. So, what exactly is the APPCB NOC? At its core, it's a formal declaration that the industry is not a threat to the environment, a statement that says this unit has permission to exist, to operate, and to grow without violating environmental safeguards. But the story doesn't end there. This certificate is built in two strong chapters. First, CTE, consent to establish. This is the approval that comes before a single brick is laid, before a single machine is switched on. It checks the proposed site, planned processes, expected emissions, and the pollution control setup, ensuring the business starts responsibly. Second, CTO, consent to operate. Once the facility is ready, the second permission verifies real-time performance. It ensures that emissions are controlled, waste treatment systems are functional, and production does not harm the environment. Together, CT CTO form the backbone of responsible industrial operation, building a bridge between innovation and environmental protection. For industries today, the APPCB NOC is not just a legal formality, it is the airbag, the safety belt, and the headlights of a business survival. Why? Because industries operate in a world where every action leaves a footprint in the water we use, the air we breathe, and the land we stand on. Without the NOC, industrial credibility collapses, approvals stop, expansions freeze, and the financial institutions pull their brakes. But with the NOC, everything changes. Suddenly, the business carries a badge of trust, a certification that says, this organization is aligned with the environmental laws, it respects nature, it respects the future. Investors look at it with confidence, partners choose it with the pride, clients associate with responsibility. The APPCB NOC does more than allow operations, it opens doors, it turns compliance into reputation and reputation into long-term stability. Now comes the crucial question, who requires this permit? If an organization is involved in any industrial, commercial or production activity that affects the environment in any way, then the APPCB NOC is not optional, it's mandatory. This includes manufacturing industries of all sizes, processing plants, chemical storage units, food and beverage factories, recycling facilities, repair and fabrication workshops, warehousing units with emission or waste, hospitality business with boilers or large kitchens. Any operation generating noise, air emission, wastewater, or solid waste, from small to large, from simple to complex, every business that touches the ecosystem must be authorized. Environmental rules doesn't classify by profit size, they classify by environmental impact. And what if a business decides to skip this essential permission? What if the APPCB NOC is ignored? The consequences aren't just inconvenient, they are game-changing. Here's what unfolds: heavy penalties that grow with every day of violation, shutdown orders until compliance is established, legal notices that disrupt operations, production stoppage, bringing months of losses, insurance claim rejections because non-compliance voids coverage, damage to reputation, the kind that takes years to repair. A single missing certificate can put an entire industry on pause. The world is moving towards sustainability, and in this world, organizations without environmental approvals are left behind. Progress without compliance may look fast, but it collapses quickly. The APPCB NOC is more than a permit, it is a protection, it is legality, it is survival. Environmental compliance is more than a regulatory requirement in Andhra Pradesh. It's the gateway to sustainable and uninterrupted industrial growth. The APPCB NOC isn't just a certificate, it is the assurance that your business respects the environment, protects public health, and operates with long-term stability. Industries that embrace this responsibility don't just survive, they lead the market with credibility and trust. But navigating the APPCB process, understanding categories, preparing documents, handling inspections, and meeting environmental standards can feel overwhelming. And this is where Copseed becomes your most reliable partner with a team of experienced environmental consultants, legal experts, and industry specialists. Copseed handles the complete APPCB NOC lifecycle for you, from identifying the right category, preparing pollution control plans, filing CTE and CTO applications, coordinating with authorities, responding to queries, and ensuring full compliance. We manage everything so you can focus on growing your business. Our approach is simple: zero confusion, zero delays, and 100% compliance. With Copseed by your side, the APPCB process becomes transparent, structured, and stress-free. Secure your APPCB NOC with confidence, strengthen your foundation, and let Copseed help you build a cleaner, smarter, and future-ready business for Andhra Pradesh. The future belongs to industries that grow responsibly, and we are here to make that journey effortless for you. Thank you.